Hello my dear little stars, I hope you all are studying along with playing games, right? So today, once again we are here just for studies, okay? So open your one more new subject, that one is computer. This book open of computers, alright? Now your first chapter of this book, that one is computer alphabet. Okay, we will study today about computer with alphabets. You know very well that are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Accordingly we will study about computer. Okay, now you can see in your book the picture of this screen is known as monitor, and this box is CPU, this keys known as keyboard, and this one is mouse. These are the main parts of computer, and you can see here it's written, this is my computer. This is my computer. So spelling of computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. So you can see on the board also chapter 1 computer alphabet. Okay, screen of the computer system, that is called monitor. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, main parts of computer. Now open the next page with alphabet A, very known alphabet A. A for apple, and computers, A for abacus. This one is known as abacus. Alright. So, what is this? This is abacus. It is used for mathematical calculation. This abacus we use to calculate, to add, subtract, for and multiplication, many. So, this is abacus. Alright, so A for apple, and in computer alphabet A for abacus. Okay. Now see page number 5. You see here page number 5. Open this page. What comes after A? After A comes B. So in computer alphabet A for abacus. In English, A for apple, and in computers, A for abacus. Next, B. Very known, B for ball. You love playing ball. Yes, you all. Okay. And here, B for Bluetooth. B for Bluetooth. What is that Bluetooth? This is used to send data from one laptop to another without any wire. In whatever data is there in one system, in one laptop, through Bluetooth we can send all details to another system, the same one. We just click Bluetooth, both the system, one laptop and in the second laptop also, and we can transfer. We used Bluetooth to transfer data from one to another one. Alright. So got in your mind? You can see this sign in your mama, your father's mobile also. Mama daddy's mobile, you can see that some function key is there. So here you can see this mark, that is known as Bluetooth. Alright, got it? Next, what comes after B? What comes after B? C. C for car. C for cat. So, you love traveling in car? Yes, you love it. And here in computers, C for compact disc. C for compact disc. This is compact disc. It can store files, music and videos. Alright. I'll show you here with me also compact disc. Here is compact disc with me also, and you all have your homes also this disc. There, this very thin disc is used to storage the music, the videos. Alright. So, whenever you want to play, you just put disc inside that CPU, switch on the computer system and can see your favorite songs, your movies, your videos of studies, rhymes, right? Okay. Now, so keep in your mind C for car. So D for duck. D for duck in your alphabet, and in computers D for download. Download means copying data from one computer system to another. Alright. We use this download just for transferring data from one system to another system. Okay. This icon is, you can see here, is known as download. Okay. So once again we will revise today about computer alphabet. How many alphabet we learn today? A, B, C, D. Alright. Of computer. So, computer alphabet. First one, A. See in your book, page number 4. A. A for apple and computer. A for abacus. Okay. And now see, abacus for mathematical calculation. Now B for ball and computers, B for Bluetooth. This is used to send data from one system to another. Alright. This icon is for what? For transferring data. Alright. C for car and C for compact disc. Okay. And this disc is, I've shown here, there, that keeps what? Storage. It is having a storage system. We can store our music and our videos there in that compact disc. Okay. Whenever you want to play, you can put in system and that can play. Okay. Now D for duck, but in system, computer, that is D for download. Downloading is also that data transferring. Okay. From one system to another. Suppose you are having one rhyme in your one computer system and you want to transfer to your friend's system. Then we can just download through that links if she is having. Okay, suppose if you want to download any rhyme from any recording, so you can just click that all ID of that and can download. Suppose you are downloading the rhymes of anyone, so you can just click over there the ID of that person. Okay, and we can just download that all details of that, whatever that you just like to just download in your system. So keep in your mind all four alphabets A, B, C, D, along with A for apple, along with that A for abacus, B for ball, with that B for Bluetooth, C for card, with that C for compact disc, D for duck, and D for download. Alright, so today you will study your computer book with alphabets. Okay, and just see the main parts of computer: monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. So you have to just see all the pictures and learn it orally. Okay, you have to just learn spelling of computer also, COMPUTER, computer, and alphabet in rhyming sound also, A, B, C, D. Alright, so it's like that. A for abacus, B for Bluetooth, like that till D. Okay, C for compact disc, D for download. So today you can just recite it, learn it, recite in front of your grandparents, parents, your friends, your family members. Okay. So study very well, and I hope you all are happy and healthy. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you, class.